Hey guys, Lee here from Droneit. We have just launched our brand new online training platform which will make things a whole lot easier to get your commercial drone license.
Obtaining your commercial drone license has never been easier, and the team at Droneit has worked hard to create a platform that allows you to work at your own pace. Our online platform includes tutorials, videos and practice quizzes that will help you prepare for your final theory and practical flying exam, which is held in each capital city. Obtaining your commercial drone license will open the door to a number of opportunities within the exciting and rapidly growing drone industry. Find out more at droneit.com.au.